The long way around, but for a Nissan PULSAR N14, Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw from there. Once that's out, all that really needed to be done is to slip a flat screwdriver like this one through the hole and with it comes in, you can see it poking in there, and the idea is to twist it and see that pops out. And what that does is that allows the rest of it to come out. So flat screwdriver, that's what goes into the holes. These, as we can see, they sort of spring together and they fit down into here, to there, and to there. Long way around, but we found out how it was done.